Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about my day yesterday. As I tell my story, I'll explain some new words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I woke up at 7 a.m. Do you know what wake up means? It means to open your eyes after sleeping. I stretched my arms. Stretch means to move your arms and body long to feel relaxed after sleeping. It felt so good. Then I brushed my teeth. Brush my teeth means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush. I washed my face with cold water. It made me feel fresh. Next, I got dressed. I put on a t-shirt and jeans. Get dressed means to put on clothes. Now I was ready for the day. I made 2 slices of toast and a cup of coffee. Toast is bread cooked in a toaster. Coffee always gives me energy in the morning. Delicious and simple. I walked to my class. Walking helps me feel the fresh air. On the way, I met my friend Emma. We said hello and talked for a minute. In class, we read a short story. Then, we talked about it in groups. Talk about means to discuss. I said the boy in the story was kind and brave. Brave means not afraid. Lunchtime. I went to the cafeteria. A cafeteria is a big place where students eat. I wanted a chicken sandwich, but they gave me a tuna sandwich instead. I smiled and ate it anyway. It was tasty. Afternoon, library. I went to the library to study for my history project. It was quiet, so I could focus. Focus means to pay attention. I stayed about 2 hours and took some notes. Very productive. After the library, I went to my part-time job at the campus cafe. I made coffee and served customers. One customer asked for hot chocolate with extra marshmallows. Extra means more than usual. She smiled and thanked me many times. Evening, gym and cooking. I went to the gym and ran on the treadmill for 20 minutes. A treadmill is a running machine. Then I stretched my muscles to relax. After that, I was hungry, so I cooked pasta with my roommate. We made salad and garlic bread too. Delicious. Night. Relax and sleep. After dinner, I watched a comedy movie. Very funny. At 11, I brushed my teeth and went to bed. Review and practice. So, yesterday I woke up, got ready, had breakfast, walked to class, studied, worked, exercised, cooked, watched a movie, and slept. Now it's your turn. Think about your day yesterday. What time did you wake up? What did you eat? What did you do? Write your answer in the comments and practice your English. Remember, we speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. See you next time!